So now prepare the bank account. First take the bank balance brought down. How much bank balance is there? 8,000. And now take the postings of the bank balance. Postings of the bank. Here debit side posting is there and one more credit side posting is there. Those postings we have to carry forward to the bank account. Here bank account yav capital aithe Ajay's capital and Vijay's capital on credit side. And here Sujay's capital is on debit side now. Postings here. Like this postings you have to take. First to Sujay's capital account. Sujay's capital account. How much they bring here? Sujay 40,000. And one more posting on credit side, that is Ajay's capital account and by Vijay's capital account. This is the goodwill withdrawn entry, 5,000 and 3,000. 5,000, 3,000. And one more entry for the goodwill bringing is that to goodwill, that is 8,000. So now total it, make it total. This becomes 56,000. Here also write the 56,000 only, and 48,000 is the difference amount. That is called balance carried on. Balance carried on. This balance carried on is carried forward to the new balance sheet as a cash or bank balance. Bank balance here. So let's start the new balance sheet. First you take the all the liabilities or assets left in the old balance sheet. Those items should be carried forward here. So in the old balance sheet, liabilities are left here. Creditors 1 and loan from bank is there. Loan from bank. So how much creditors are there? 20,000. And 26,000 is a loan from bank. And nothing is given about the general reserve and P&L account. Directly come to the capital entry. Capitals Ajay, Vijay and Sujay. Ajay's capital is, this capital balance is taken from the partner's capital account. 97,250, 48,350, 48,350 and 40,000. These are the capitals of the new partner, including new partner. So these are the capitals. So let's start the asset side. First asset is that cash at bank. Cash at bank. This cash at bank is from the bank account, 48,000. Next one, motor vehicle. Motor vehicle. There is no adjustment for the motor vehicle, directly amount 18,000. Next one, investments. Investments. There is one adjustment for the investment, that is decrease in the value of investment value. So that should be deducted here, investment value. So what is the balance sheet value? 20,000. Now decreased value. Decreased how much here? Decreased value of the investment is 1,000. Outer column 19,000 investment value. Next one, debtors. Debtors balance sheet value is 31,000. 31,000. There is two adjustment for the debtors, bad debts and PDD. First deduct the bad debts. Always first deduct the bad debts. So bad debts amount is 1,000. Becomes 30,000, and on 30,000 you should calculate the PBD value. PBD value at 5%. So on 30,000, 5%, 1,500. So 28,500 is the closing debtors value here. Next one, computers. Computers value in the balance sheet is 25,000. and here depreciation is there. Depreciation at 8%, it becomes 2000. 23,000 is the closing computer's value. Next one, stock in trade. There is no adjustment for the stock in trade. Direct amount of stock here 24,000. Next one, machinery. Machinery value in balance sheet is 30,000 and there is an adjustment for the machinery. So there is no adjustment for the machinery. Direct amount order column you should take there. And last one, buildings. Buildings value is here 40,000 and there is an adjustment for building, that is depreciation on the building value. Depreciation at 2.5%. So calculate here 40,000 into 2.5%, that becomes 1,000. So 40,000 minus 1,000, 39,000. Here all the balance sheet items are over. Any other unrecorded assets or liabilities are given in the adjustment note, those items should be taken in the balance sheet here. All the adjustments are taken. Here bad debts PBD is given and building computers depreciation is taken, investment value is taken, and furniture of rupees 2,100 not recorded in the books of accounts. Now it should be recorded in the books here. So this is an unrecorded asset. One time revaluation account entry ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೀವು unrecorded asset ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ balance sheet ದೊಳಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So in the balance sheet, furniture value, it is unrecorded. It is 1,000. So now make it tally. Tally of the balance sheet becomes here 2,31,600 and here also 2,31,600. So you make sure that this answer is correct by using the calculator. You should calculate the amounts and make it tally once again in the home. So this is the two problems on admission of partner. One problem is studied on the when retained in the business, and PBD is old provision also and new provision also given in the problem. And another one, only thing is that goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner. In that case, how the entries are coming here, we have shown that. So thank you.